I know. Leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone.
Me too, Pat. Me too.
Oh, okay. It's because we're hard workers. Oh. That was a good run.
That was a good run.
I lost him. Holy shit. That was pretty good.
That was a good one.
My turn. I got pretty close.
That was way close, bro.
Alright guys, we're gonna take some showgoers for ride-alongs now, so let's get to it. What's up, bro?
What's up?
You ever been drifting before?
No, I have not.
Alright dude, you're gonna have a blast. Get that seatbelt on, you got your helmet on? Sweet.
Yep, we're good.
Oh, where did the driver go?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. Autonomous cars, cool. It's slipperier on this side.
Yeah, that's way fun.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Awesome. Thank you.
Yeah. You ready to go drifting?
Yep.
Have you ever been before?
Nah.
Alright dude, you're gonna have a blast. yeah, dude. Awesome.
For sure, man.
All right, dude. Have fun with the rest of the show, okay?
Yeah.
How's it going, dude?
Good, how you doing?
Good. Have you ever been drifting before?
Nope, first time.
Sweet. You're
So
gonna blast.
excited.
Yes. Okay. Let me wait for him to get his helmet on. You got your helmet on, sweet. You got your seatbelt on. We're good. Cool.
Yep. Sweet. Let's do this.
Welcome to drifting. You good, Nick? Yeah, I'm good.
That's a big dent.
Well, that was the first time that's happened to me drifting, actually.
Really?
I've been waiting for it all day, honestly. I just had a feeling.
Hey, that was fun though.
Did you have fun though?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude. Awesome. All right, man. Have fun with the rest of the show, okay?
Yeah. You need my ticket or anything? Or?
Oh yeah, let me snag that from you. We're just doing count.
Anything's reason to find it silver, right? Nice.
Sweet.
All right, dude. Have fun. The camera. That's not too bad. Is my wheel fucked? No. Look at that KBD, dude. KBD, dog. It finally happened. All right, here's what happened to Nick's car. Oh my! Look at his car. Look at my car
You're
now.
having way too much fun.
Look at my car now.
That's nothing, huh?
My vinyl wrap screwed up, and we had to pull the fender out a little bit.
Oh shit, did nothing.
Is that your car? Yeah, what?
Yeah,
You got the
I guess
wheel.
it's all wheel. How's your alignment feel?
It didn't feel weird. It was rubbing.
Yours that got hit? Yeah.
Both of
You didn't
ours.
see the door?
I finally did it,
It's
dude.
just the door though. It is like unbolt, bolt on.
I just want to make a quick shout out to. KBD.
What's up, Brandon?
Have you been drifting before?
No, this is my first time.
All right, you're gonna have a blast.
That was amazing.
Hell yeah.
You're amazing.
Did you have fun?
I did.
Awesome. Have fun with the rest of the show, okay?
Thank you, you too.
All right, you ready to get your belt on, helmet on?
Yep.
That's your handle to hold on to.
Okay.
And yeah, well, wait for him. You want to go first? Yeah. Yep. All right. Let's go. How was that?
That was awesome.
Hell yeah.
Oh my gosh, thanks.
Yeah.
That was so cool.
Have you ever been drifting before?
No.
All right, dude, you're in for an experience. Let me grab your ticket real quick so we don't lose it. Let's toss it in here. Hold on to that. You got your helmet on? You got your seatbelt on? Cool. All right, we're gonna follow this car, okay? All right, let's go. yeah, good, good. All right, man. Have fun at the rest of the car show, okay?
I will.
All right, guys, we're done for the day. Let's check out the damage. So we pulled the fender. You can kind of see it got like, when we pulled it out, it kind of chipped here. But we pulled it out pretty good. The KBD kit, solid. The wrap got kind of screwed up, but whatever. That's why we wrapped it, so that way we could rewrap it. Anyway, that's my car. Oh, the wheel got a little scuffed up also. Just a little bit, nothing bad. The alignment's still good, suspension's still good. Let's go look at Nick's car. Nick! Nick! I don't know where he is. So here's Nick's car. I spun out in front of him, and he went right into me. And there's his door. Oh my God. I feel so bad. Jesus. Listen to this. It finally happened. It was bound to happen one of these days. It finally happened. So I was talking to Nick though, he's not too stressed. Him and Brandon bought a bunch of IS300s for parts, or they're going to. I don't know, there's so many automatic IS300s that they're extremely cheap, so they're easy to get parts cars for, so it's not too much stress to slap on another door, because that's all we hit. All right, let's check out Nick's car.
Oh yeah.
So, what was going through your mind at that very moment?
I actually thought you were going like, so you, like, wall was here and you were like angling up and I was like, oh cool, you're gonna go for like a wall tap. And instead you just like spun in front. So I was more like full committed to it, and then you spun in front and I was like, oh shit, no, that's not happening. So, oh well.
I think what happened was, like, I'm used to, like, if that happens, I like fully spin, but since the wall was there, I had to just like lock up the brakes.
Yeah.
So I was just like, I don't know, I guess it just happened.
Yeah.
But it doesn't look too bad. I think we can like get a suction cup and
Yeah, right. I like the
your spare change.
Baraka, yeah. Yeah. This one kind of opens funny now too.
At least.
I think it's actually pushed back. That might be why. Oh yeah, it's
Oh,
pushed back.
fuck. Oh no.
No,
Oh, no.
I think it's like the hinges. Like,
Okay.
I don't think it's the actual, because that seems untouched. Like the actual A pillar
Frame, okay.
or B pillar.
Yeah, it looks
'Cause,
good.
Just gotta yank it. But yeah, this is pretty good. I don't know. Yeah, this, like, there's kind of a chip, but no, that doesn't look warped.
It
It's
got
kind of
dented there. Maybe it's just like got a
don't
little
know.
dented on that door.
We'll play with it, but I'm not really stressing it.
Do you guys have a silver IS300 at?
No,
The shop?
what we did, it was totaled, but I think he painted those doors teal.
Oh no.
No big deal. I mean, I want to paint too,
Yeah. Okay.
especially after he painted his.
Yeah.
So I've wanted to go with a flashy, ridiculous color. So
Fair
yeah,
enough.
this is encouragement. It'll be easy. Throw doors on and just paint it.
I'm pushing you. Okay.
Yeah,
I'm
it's
helping
fine.
you.
No, it's
I'm gonna look at it that way so I don't feel bad tonight.
Yeah.
So after that spin, I swapped tires, and that's what that one looked like. So I'm pretty sure that's what's spinning, because I spun a couple times also. And I think lack of traction was the cause, because as soon as I put those other wheels on, put some fresh tires on, I had so much grip that like I had a hard time initiating again. Alright guys, that concludes our day at ISS 2019. It was a super fun event. I learned a lot. I always improve whenever I go drifting. I had a lot of fun today. I got to check off crashing during tandem. Got that off the bucket list. Just a great time, a great experience, honestly. Even the crashing part, like, I had a feeling it was going to happen today, and I just kind of went with it because it's part of the sport. I just knew it was going to happen, so I went with it. I want to thank everyone at Import Spring Show Off, all the staff that set this up. I want to thank all of Take Luck staff, all of Salt City Drift staff especially, really putting out a great event. Everyone did a bang-on job. It was really smoothly ran. Everything went on time. Everything went well. I want to thank all the sponsors. I want to thank Dave's Detail. He cleaned up the car yesterday, got it detailed up. Lupio at Cypher Decals. He hooked it up with the decals on the car. Federal Tires, of course, for supporting this addiction. KBD for making sure my car doesn't look like crap after that crash today. And Super Tuner for obviously giving us cool fucking merchandise. Anyway, and I want to thank you guys for watching this video and for subscribing and all that stuff. So thanks guys. Anyway, I'm gonna drive home back to Logan now, and I'm going to sleep so freaking hard that I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for watching.